Hey everyone, this is Chloe Sanders, and I have a quick workout for y'all to get your blood pumping on a cold day. So grab a pair of dumbbells. We're gonna do a circuit with back-to-back movements, each movement for 12 reps, and the circuit for 2 to 3 rounds. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with a great full body exercise, the squat, curl to press. Stand with your feet under your shoulders, squat down with your dumbbells hanging, curl the weight up to your shoulders, then press them overhead, and repeat for 12 reps. Next, find yourself in a tabletop. Support your weight with one hand as the other hand pulls the dumbbell back towards your hip. Keep your elbow in next to your rib cage and lower the weight slowly. Repeat 12 times on each side, or for an extra challenge, simply lift your knees to a hover and alternate sides for 20 reps. Hip bridges are next. Flip over on your back, place your feet down right in front of your hips. Engage your lower abdominal muscles first, then press into your feet to lift your hips. When your hips are at the top, lift your heels off the ground before lowering back into the starting position. Repeat 12 times. Grab those dumbbells next and lay back for chest flies. With your elbows slightly bent and your dumbbells above your chest, slowly open your arms until your elbows touch the floor. Then, using the strength of your chest, bring the dumbbells to touch above your chest. Repeat for 12 reps. Let's finish out the circuit by working our shoulders with some YTIs. You can either use your body weight or some light dumbbells, water bottles, any other handheld weight. And first raise your arms into a Y, then to a T, and then up into an I for 12 total reps.